Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So this time I did a Q&A on my Instagram in which I asked the people about what they want to see in my next video, and one person suggested me about drawing Spider-Man, and I like the idea because I never tried drawing Spider-Man before, and this is the first time when I'm going to draw Spider-Man, in which I'm going to draw Spider-Man No Way Home poster in my style. So let's get started and hope for the best. Okay, so here I'm using Brewster A3 size drawing sheet, and I don't have a smaller sheet right now, so I'm going to divide it into two halves and gonna use it like that. And of course, my bad girls are always ready to slay. So now let's tape the paper first and then we'll start drawing. Oh my god, how can I forget about my new set of charcoal pencil which I'm gonna use for drawing here. Finally, the introduction is done, so now let's move to the drawing portion. So here I'm starting the drawing in the morning time and I already have the whole day left for working. So let's see कि कितना complete होता है आज. I basically love drawing here with charcoal pencil because it's easier to do and less time consuming as well. I took around 1.5 hours to complete this much portion, and ये वाला artwork बहुत ही ज़्यादा आसान था. And now I'm moving to the second one, and this one is bit time consuming because इसमें ना बहुत छोटे-छोटे tiny details हैं skin में, which I love to draw a lot. Okay, it's time for the third one, and now I'm feeling very tired as well. So let's complete the hair first, then I'll take a small tea break. Finally, it's time for reviving my energy back. So let's have some tea. Now my energy is back, and इसको पीने के बाद ना मैं बहुत ज़्यादा refresh feel करती हूँ. So I'm ready for working again. So let's get back to the work. It's evening time by the way, and still a lot of work is left to complete. So let's see how much I can do today. I finally completed all the 3 portraits, and now it's coloring time. So before continuing, let me introduce you to my new work partner, and I've been waiting for them since last Monday, and ये just पहुंचा है, and I'm really very excited to use them as well. Oh my god, they look so good, and the sound quality is also great. And okay, now let's get back to the work because I also have to complete it as soon as possible. This Spider-Man costume was really a time-consuming task, but I managed to complete it, and now let's complete the other 2 as well. Okay, finally I completed it, and here are the final results, and hope you guys like it. Look up to the sky, to the brighter days. In our eyes there is a revolution. Soon there will no longer be pollution. Shining by the light of the diamonds. All the material details are given in the description below, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.